Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to use Clubhouse on your PC and how to add music in the background. Go ahead and download BlueStacks on your PC. Open up BlueStacks and launch Google Play Store. Now search for the Clubhouse app. Open the app. Go ahead and log in with your credentials. You have now successfully installed Clubhouse on your PC. Make sure to enable Clubhouse to record audio. Go ahead and open up a royalty-free music website such as artlist.io. Click on any track. Make sure both stereo mix and microphone inputs are enabled. You're all set. Now you're able to use Clubhouse on your PC or laptop and add music to your background and use your PC microphone as an input.